So here's some dominant 7 flat 9 arpeggios. There are a couple ways that we could think about it. One is that we're taking our diminished scale and adding the root note of our dominant 7 chord in there. All right, or we could kind of think about it as a dominant 7 arpeggio or adding in the flat 9. All right, both of them tend to work out exactly the same. So the idea here is that I'm going to be choosing the key of D to kind of go through all of these ends. These are all going to be D7 arpeggios that we add the flat 9 to, or diminished scales that we kind of add the D to. So here we go. The first one is going to be my C shape in the key of D. So my root note is going to be right here on the 5th string, 5th fret. So I'm going to be putting my pinky on that, and then I'm going to be going up 1 fret to the 6th with my pinky. And then my 3rd finger is going to go on the 4th string, 4th fret. And then my 1st finger is going to be going to the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And then the 5th fret on the 3rd string. On the 2nd string, 3rd fret and 4th fret. And then 1st finger on the 2nd string, or 2nd fret, 1st string, 5th fret, and then back to the 2nd fret. All right? Then we just kind of walk our way back down to the root note. All right. Now before that, we can go to the 3rd fret on the 5th string, 5th and 2nd fret on the 6th string, and then walk our way back up, which is going to be my 3rd fret on the 5th string, back to the 5th fret on the 5th string. Next is going to be my A alt shape, which is going to be my 2nd finger on the 5th string, 5th fret, my D note. I'll be going up to the 6th fret on my 5th string, 4th and 7th on my 4th string, 5th and 7th on my 3rd string, 4th and 7th on my 2nd string, and then 5th and 8th on my 1st string. That is 5th and 6th on the 5th string, 4th and 7th on the 4th string, 5th and 7th on the 3rd string, 4th and 7th on the 2nd string, 5th and 8th on the 1st string. Now it's going to walk back down. 8, 5, 7, 4, 7, 5, 7, 4, 6, 5. Now I'm going to be going to the 8th fret on the 6th string, back down to the 5th fret. Walk my way back up to the root. Awesome. Next is going to be my A shape. I'm going to be putting my 1st finger on the 5th string, 5th fret. Again on that D note. I'll be going up 1 fret with my 1st finger. And my pinky is going to be going on the 9th fret. And then I'm going to be putting my 2nd finger on the 4th string, 7th fret. 5th, 7th, 8th string, all on the 3rd string. Or 5th, 7th, 8th fret on the 3rd string. Now I'm going to be going to my 2nd finger on the 7th fret on the 2nd string. 1st or 5th and 8th fret on the 1st string. Then we walk my way back down. 2nd fret or 2nd string, 7th fret. 8, 7, 5 on the 3rd string. 7th fret on the 4th string. 9, 6, 5 on the 5th string. Then we going down to my 8th fret on the 6th string, 5th fret, and walk my way back up to that root. Next is going to be my G shape, which my pinky is going to go on the 10th fret on the 6th string. I'm going to be hitting that note, going up 1 fret to the 11th fret on the 6th string. My 3rd finger is going to go on the 9th fret on the 5th string. Then be putting my 7th fret on the 4th string, and then 10th fret on the 4th string. And then 7 and 8, there's that flat 9 on the 8th fret right there on the 3rd string. On the 2nd string, it's going to be 7, 10. And then on the 1st string, it's going to be 8th fret, 10th fret, and 11th fret. All right, now going backwards, it's going to be 11, 10, 8, 10, 7 on my 2nd string, 8, 7 on my 3rd string, 10, 7 on my 4th string, 9 on my 5th string, and then 11, 10 on my 6th string. I'm going to be going down, put my 2nd finger on the 8th fret, 6th string before I go back up to the root. Next I have the E alt shape, which is going to be my second finger on the 6th string, 10th fret, then the 11th fret. And my first finger is going to go on the 5th string, 9th fret, and then my 12th fret on the 5th string. My first finger is then going to go to the 10th fret on the 4th string, 12th, 13th, all on the 4th string, and then my 11th fret on the 3rd string, and then 10, 13 on my 2nd fret, and then I'll be going 10, 11, 14, all on my 1st string. Just to make my first finger slides there, I'm going to go down, 11, 10 on the 1st string, 13, 10 on the 2nd string, 11th fret on the 3rd string, 13, 12, 10 on the 4th string, 12, 9 on the 5th string, and then 11, 10 on the 6th string. Next I have the E shape, which my first finger is going to go on the 10th fret on the 6th string. I'm going to be moving up 1 fret to the 11th fret, let me go into the 14th fret on the 6th string. Second finger is going to go on the 12th fret, 5th string. 10, 12, 13 on the 4th string. 11, 14 on the 3rd string. And my third finger is going to go on the 2nd fret, or 2nd string, 13th fret. My first finger is going to be going from the 10th fret to the 11th fret on the 1st string, then 14th fret on the 1st string. Now I'm just going to reverse that by going 14, 11, 10 on the 1st string, 13 on the 2nd string, 14, 11 on the 3rd string, 13, 12, 10 on the 4th string, 12 on the 5th string, and then 14, 11, 10 on the 6th string. Now for my D shape, I'm going to be moving to the key of F, so that means my root note is going to be on the 3rd fret on the 4th string. I'm going to start out by going 3rd fret, 4th fret, both with my first finger, up to the 7th fret on the 4th string. So that's 3rd, 4th, 7 on the 4th string. Second finger is going to go to the 5th fret on the 3rd string. 4, 6, 7 on my 2nd string. Then my first finger is going to be moving up here to the 5th fret on the 1st string, then 8th, and then down again. Alright? Go backwards, so I'm going to go 8th, 5th on the 1st string, 7, 6, 4 on the 2nd string, 5th fret on the 3rd string, 7, 4, 3 on the 4th string, and then 6th fret, 3rd fret on the 5th string, 5th fret on the 6th string, and then walk my way back up. 5th fret on the 6th string, 3rd fret on the 5th string, 6th fret on the 5th string, and back to my F.